33 Ways to Decorate Your Front Porch for Christmas. Spots like Target or your local craft store are usually brimming with chic and cheap decorative goodies. Take these hanging copper planters, for example, used by blogger Liz Marie to create an alternative to the traditional front door holiday wreath. To mimic this look, attach metallic canisters to a wood board, fill them with decorative branches, and hang on your front door using a wreath hook. From the sparkly tree to the pinecone garland and frosted wreath, faux evergreens give this New England porch by at Charlotte's house a jolly vibe. Up the ease of artificial greenery by buying a style that boasts stress-free LED lights, then set them to a timer that goes on and off daily to ensure your front porch is always festive. Gorgeous garland gussied up with pine cones, cotton stems, and string lights get this traditional porch decorated by Deborah Silver, holiday ready. The final touch, cast iron urns bursting with seasonal greenery and magnolia branches. Sometimes, less is more. Take, for instance, this large porch decorated by Beneath My Heart, which features a few simple yet impactful accents that nod to the holiday season. Berry wreaths upgrade the front doors, while 2 pint-sized trees in galvanized buckets flank the grand entrance. The result, a charming and understated take on Christmas front porch decor. Even your porch light fixtures can get a holiday upgrade, thanks to this genius idea by Melissa at The Inspired Room. To make her festive wreath chandelier, she used 2 boxwood wreaths, rope, and string lights. The end result, paired with an equally gussied up front door, is an understated yet stylish nod to the season. When you have a front door as bold as this lemon-colored beauty, you don't need much to make it stand out for any season. Here, the bloggers behind Lolly Jane used DIY wreaths accented with striped ribbon and a miniature wood sled, vintage furniture, and 2 artificial trees to infuse this colorful porch with cozy cheer. A red door is beautiful all year long, but no time is it more appropriate than during the holidays. Case in point, this Christmas front porch by Between Naps on the Porch. A trio of wreaths kind of resembling a snowman, team with cedar garland, a classic flexible flyer sled, and old ice skates for a homey, vintage touch. Beef up scrawny artificial trees with this charming idea from the Lilypad Cottage. Kelly upgraded the faux firs on her porch by decking them out with berries, ribbon bows, and candy cane balls. 2 cherry red poinsettias complete the look. This holiday display by Karen Freeland is bubbling over with rustic style thanks to weathered crates, vintage lanterns, and old washtubs. Extra embellishments, like shatterproof ornaments, bundles of branches, and an artificial wreath take it to the next level for a truly unforgettable scene. This cozy farmhouse porch decorated by Lehman Lane is overflowing with charming details that enhance its welcoming appeal. Homemade natural garland surrounds a red front door, while vintage accessories like a classic sled, green lanterns, and an adorable plaid thermos holding magnolia leaves top off the relaxed vibe. Understated elegance is the name of the game on this lovely porch by the Crown Goat. There may not be any sparkle or red in sight, but the holiday season is still represented thanks to cedar saplings, pine cones, and a lush wreath. Believe it or not, you can make your front porch Christmas decorations stand out without even stepping into a store. Just look at this stunner by Thoughts from Alice, which features all found objects. She wrote a sweet holiday message with chalk on a slice of wood, then flanked her porch with tree stumps from her yard. Additional natural trimmings found on the blogger's property, including fresh greenery, naturally shed antlers, and pine cones, round out the festive fun. Another feature we adore on this Christmas porch by at Charlotte's house, the DIY planters. They're filled with a mix of fresh and artificial greenery to appear abundantly full, clever, then wrapped with a big red bough to mimic a present and add a pop of color to the porch. To make your front porch Christmas decorations stand out, you'll want to coordinate them with the style of your home and existing decor. Here, Craftberry Bush goes for a modern yet classic scene with help from seasonal greenery. The Festive stoop features a collection of planters, including inexpensive metal buckets from IKEA overflowing with pine, cedar, and boxwood branches. To keep your stems looking this fresh, spritz with water daily. A tiny porch like this one by Cherished Bliss doesn't need much to make a merry impression. Simple seasonal accents, including traditional poinsettias and classic cedar garland, make an elegant statement without using up precious square footage and making it difficult for holiday guests to come and go. If you live in a spot that gets frequent seasonal weather, choose decorations that can stand up to the elements. On this porch decorated by Liz Marie Blog, several hardy galvanized buckets are filled with fresh greenery clippings and surrounded by birch logs, all perfectly suited to a winter wonderland. Reams of ribbon are the magic ingredients in this jolly display by Sweet Sorghum Living. They're everywhere, from the door garland to the railing detail and bucket decor. Mimic a similar style by choosing wired ribbon from your local craft store. Its firm edges will allow you to bend and shape it any way you please. An explosion of greenery and charming wood bench make this small porch by the Happy Hausa feel extra inviting. For a little contrast to all that green, the blogger added several pops of red with help from berries, a vintage lantern, a plaid blanket, and a crimson snowflake pillow. For a twist on the traditional wreath, try hanging an evergreen swag instead. On this Christmas porch by On Sutton Place, evergreen boughs are embellished with a buffalo plaid scarf and sleigh bells. That's not the only charming touch, though. A matching pillow warms up a nearby rocking chair, pine cones and faux cranberries fill up an enamel bowl, and petite pines flank the doorway. Not into red? No problem. This dazzling porch by Home Stories A to Z swaps the traditional holiday hue for an equally festive pastel scene, featuring sweet ornaments in shades of green, aqua, silver, and white. The result is a Yuletide scene that feels equal parts soothing and glam. Nothing smells like Christmas like fresh evergreens. This porch by the Yellow Cape Cod welcomes guests with a fresh scent of natural greenery, then wows them with bold black and white decor and metallic ornaments. We love bright pops of color. This adorable porch by Blue Eye Style Blog brings the rainbow with strands of colorful decorations including cute pom-pom garland, red lanterns, and bold teal urns. What better time than the holidays to repurpose old toys? This jolly porch by Little Vintage Nest uses a retro Radweeb flyer wagon to show off potted evergreens. Gorgeous natural greenery, behold that stunning wreath, and classic lanterns powered by LED candles are the key ingredients in this lovely holiday porch by French Country Cottage. To mirror this lush look, hit up a local nursery for fresh boughs of greenery, then top off porch urns with extra evergreen clippings and real tangerines for a seasonal look that's totally picture perfect. Have a silver and gold Christmas by creating a sparkly porch like this one by Randy Garrett Design. White poinsettias and glittering ornaments give this entrance a luxurious look without breaking the bank. If you're short on time, and who isn't this time of year, borrow this porch idea by the Sunny Side Up blog. A simple Christmas banner and a couple of trees with faux gifts underneath help you capture the essence of the season in just an afternoon. This merry entrance by Maison de Pax pairs flocked greenery with natural accents, like pillar candles in birch holders, pine cones, and plenty of berries. Tying the whole look together, pun intended, are swaths of luxe velvet red ribbon, which add a dash of color and seasonal whimsy. Use your holiday decor to nod to your home state, like this festive ranch-inspired Texas front porch by the duo behind the Cavender Diary. The pair upgraded an inexpensive craft store garland with free scrap branches from their local Christmas tree lot for a full and fancy vibe. Plastic berries and a vintage cow skull finish off the unique look. There's something about the holidays that just begs for nostalgia. Play up that vintage feel by styling your front porch with old-school holiday accessories. Here, on the Christmas porch of While I Linger, a vintage wagon cart totes a petite artificial tree along with a merry sign hand-painted with a seasonal greeting. Yet another splendid idea from the Christmas porch of While I Linger. Here, fresh evergreen clippings, berries, and branches transform a vintage fishing creel into a basket bouquet for the front door. If you can't find a fishing creel of your own to mimic this look, scour your local vintage store for a small rattan basket or bag to achieve the same vibe. Spread cheer this holiday season, starting at your driveway. The blogger behind Southern Hospitality gave her basic white mailbox a seasonal upgrade thanks to a colorful burst of greenery complete with berries and metallic pine cones. The festive surprises continue once you reach the front porch, where you're greeted by a cranberry wreath and berry-dotted swag. This joyful stoop by Dimples and Tangles is absolutely bursting with color. Shatterproof ornaments dangle from the porch overhang, while brightly colored bulbs fill decorative lanterns to their brim. Another great idea to steal, topping an evergreen swag with brass bells for a cheery jingle every time the front door swings open with guests. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.